Welcome to the Procserve training video for the Supplier portal. In this video, you will learn how you could view your transaction documents. You will also learn how to invoice an order that you have received and use the various options within the admin menu, such as setting VAT rates. By now, you should have received an email with your username and URL to the Procserve Commerce Network, and a separate email containing your password. On your initial login, you'll be prompted to change your password and to create a memorable word. Once you have logged in, across the top of your screen, you'll see a number of icons. Select the Supplier portal icon. This will redirect you to the home page of the Supplier portal, where you are presented with the links to all the various documents that are awaiting your attention. In order to see your transaction documents, select one of the links or the Documents tab on the right. Under the tab Documents list, the first filter menu is for the document type. Select Orders from the drop-down box. The second filter menu is for the status of the document. For example, Documents not yet viewed. The third filter menu is for the time period. For example, all orders not yet viewed from this week. A list of all your documents will show up below. Select the order number on the left of the order you wish to action. You will then see a summary of this appear on the right hand side under Document Summary. Within the document summary, you can also see if the document has been actioned and whether it has been quoted or sent. Each box will be marked with a yes if it has and a no if it has not. By clicking the first icon, you'll be able to view the document online. Click the second icon to view the PDF version of the document. To mark this document as void, select the third icon. To the right, you can select the green arrow to invoice this order without viewing it online first. Please note, you will not have this option if your customer is not configured to receive invoices and quotes. Select the first icon to view the order. Then click on the green arrow to the right of the Create Invoice to start creating your invoice. Before you begin to create your invoice, you'll be warned that the invoice has not yet been saved. You are prompted to first save in order to generate an invoice record. To do so, click on the floppy disk icon. You will now be in Edit Invoice mode. You can edit the invoice accordingly, for example, if item prices have changed to what was on the original order. Please note, you can also insert additional lines such as shipping costs or other charges. You can also part invoice an order depending on stock levels. The original order lines appear at the bottom, under the order number, towards the bottom half of the page. To the right of the order lines, you'll see a green plus icon. Use these to select the line items you wish to add to the invoice. As you do this, you will see the line item appear under Invoice Lines. You also have the option to select all of the items in one go by selecting the double plus icon. If you wish to change anything within this invoice, simply click on the pencil icon and the editable fields will appear. Once completed, click the Save button to confirm your changes. To add shipping costs, select the Shipping button and then the green plus icon to the right. It will appear as an editable line on the invoice, so you can insert the relevant information here, then save to add the line. If you would like to insert any other charges, simply select the Other Charge button and follow the same procedure. Once you are happy with your invoice, select the Send button. You will then be notified before sending the invoice that you have the option to go back and make any amendments if you wish to do so, or to continue sending the invoice. To create a credit note, select the Documents tab on the right to go to the Documents list. From the first filter menu, select Invoice. Then select the invoice number from the list below for the invoice you would like to create a credit note for. You will then go through the same process as before. To edit your company settings, select the Admin tab from the top right and click on the Company Admin. You will find the subsections on the left-hand side. Under the General section, you can edit your organisation details. You can also set your default VAT rates and whether you would like the VAT to be calculated at line or document level, and how you wish the calculation rounding to be set. If you need additional support with the Supplier portal, please contact the Procserve service desk on 0845 603 2885 or by email at support@procserve.com.